So introductions of advertising, chapter number 4, we are watching the last chapter, that is advertising agencies. Okay, advertising agency, the last part of our subject, introductions of advertising. Okay, in this one we are completed two parts. First one, what is advertising agencies, their work and their types. Okay, we are watching now, we are watching the next part, that is rural advertising. Okay, so NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, is defined that the area where the people or population density is 400 per square kilometer. Okay, their population is working or engaged in agriculture sectors. Okay, and there is no municipal corporations or any nagar palika or any municipal related जो local government is not available, that is called village. Okay, so India ये villages में ही आपको दिखाई देगी. The 76% population is living in rural areas and they are doing all types of agriculture activities. Okay, in India, when we are watching each and every state, 5.76 lakh villages are available. Okay, all over the India, 76% population living in village area. In whole India there are 5 lakhs 80,000 villages available. So therefore go rural policy of businessman is very important. So seminar and conference, this kind of ways are providing all types of products in rural areas, especially products like soap, detergent, tea, toothpaste, dress material, hair oil and shampoo. These types of products are specially buying by village peoples, but they are not actually using all kind of expensive product because their income is totally disposable. Their income is totally depend on monsoon and how much farms product are. So some important products or fundamental goods they are using in the rural areas, but it is not possible to use the luxurious goods. Okay, they are not using the luxurious goods. So rural area we are watching, that is prosperous, but they are not using the all kind of luxurious goods, all kind of important goods, because their income are disposable. Their income is totally depend on monsoon and farms activities. Okay, so therefore the rural advertising is very important, especially advertising like motorbikes, mopeds, transport vehicles, table fans, radio, cycles, sewing machines, because these kind of products are ready to purchase by rural areas people, because so many activities are depend on this kind of products. So therefore they are ready to purchase this kind of products. Okay, now we are watching some important rural marketing or rural advertisings. Okay, so first time the ITC, these companies started rural marketing. Okay, they are creating one of the website or one of the important platform to the selling and purchasing all types of rural products, that is called eChopal. Okay, in eChopal they are creating some business idea for farmers. This scheme is launched in June 2000. Okay, and eChopal is very famous or successful. Okay, when also eChopal is getting so many awards from different kind of countries. Okay, because they are helping to help to selling the products to the farmers in rural areas. Okay, and their target is to send or sell all types of products by the bottom. Okay, means starting from a less product they are extending more and more. Okay, so the scheme eChopal is very famous in the rural areas. They are getting 20 to 30% revenues for the rural market and rural farmers. Okay, in this one also one of the important company Parle Agro started so many businesses, just like they are started the fruity business from 5 rupees to Coca-Cola and Pepsi kind of business. Okay, so all types of farmer related products they are sending by the using their technology, by using their market strategy. Okay, and in rural areas they are actually getting 90% income from this kind of productions. Okay, now the rural areas marketing are totally changed after green revolutions. After green revolutions, the farmers expectations and rural areas expectations are totally changed. So therefore the green revolution is also called expectations revolutions, because farmers is not only concentrating to the fundamental goods. Now the farmers is started to change their needs and wants. Okay, they are thinking about the different kind of demand. Okay, they are thinking about the different kind of goods. So therefore some of the important industrial industries are started their business in rural areas, just like HUL, ITC, Dabur, Godrej, Tata, Colgate, Palmolive, Nirma, LG, Philips, Samsung and Bajaj Auto. These kind of companies are started their business especially in rural areas, and they are capturing the rural market. They are trying to increase their business productions, their business strategies, especially in rural areas. So therefore it is called rural advertising or rural marketing. So what kind of ways they are using for rural marketing in rural areas, they are given here. First one is mobile advertising. Okay, तो रूरल या गाँव में प्रोडक्ट्स की मार्केटिंग कैसी चलती है? तो पहला है मोबाइल एडवर्टाइजिंग. व्हेन वी आर वाचिंग बिफोर electronic revolution is happening, so many farmers are using so many vehicles and bullock cart to give one message to one village to another village. Okay, so this message is passed by ruler so many prestigious people. Okay, now they are using so many music cassettes and record, which is very inexpensive media to providing message. So music is play very important role for rural marketing. So assembling the crowd in the rural areas or doing advertising in rural areas, we are using mobile advertising. Okay, because in mobile all the songs and radios are also available, so it is very easily we are passing the message by different kind of products in rural areas. So it is easily used by mobile advertising in rural marketing. Okay, second one is puppet show. सो रूरल एरियाज़ की तरफ आप देखोगे तो रूरल एरियाज़ के इंटरटेनमेंट में और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट आता है, दैट इज़ डांस एंड ड्रामाज. ओके, सो ऋषि कथाज रूरल एरियाज़ में बहुत ही फेमस है. ऋषि मुनियों ने जो कहा है वो उसका बहुत ही इफ़ेक्ट्स वहाँ की फैमिलीज़ या कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम पे होता है. तो इसलिए पपेट शोज़ आप कर सकते हो. पपेट शोज़ में आप उनके डांस एंड ड्रामास दिखा के, वो जो कठपुतलियाँ होती है या जो डॉल्स होती है उनका जो डांस दिखाया जाता है, दैट इज़ पपेट शो. इससे आप मैसेज भी दे सकते हो और रूरल एरियाज़ में मार्केटिंग कर सकते हो. ओके, ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स आपको स्पेशली मेला, फेयर्स या विलेज फेस्टिवल्स में दिखाई देंगे. ओके, तो इस शो से आप अपने डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स की मार्केटिंग कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रूरल एडवर्टाइजिंग. ओके, small size packages. When we are watching the FMCG, okay, means just like e-Chopal or different types of so many companies are started marketing by given the different types of products in small size packages. Okay, just like HUL companies are define or sending or selling their products in the market by a little or small size of packages, just like shampoo, tea, detergent powder. They are using the small sachets which is priced from 1 rupees to 5 rupees. Okay, Also Haldiram companies is using this kind of technology by selling different types of their products. Dabur is using also this kind of technology. They are packing their products in very small sachets, especially just like Hajmola. Okay, so this is the technology to capturing the rural areas market. Okay, next one is sensory appeal. The productions or selling or marketing is totally depend on brand's name. Okay, what kind of brands we are given to the society, at that time the marketing is playing important role. Okay, so therefore there are so many slogans are using to selling the market products. Okay, just like हाथी छाप राइस, बंदर छाप टूथपेस्ट, घरी छाप डिटर्जेंट पाउडर. तो ये जो स्लोगन्स है या उनके सामने जो उन्होंने सेंसेशनरी अपील रखे या प्रोडक्ट्स के ब्रांड्स के नेम रखे, इससे वो प्रोडक्ट्स ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगने लगता है. और इसके साथ अगर पिक्चर्स और इमेजेस भी रखेंगे तो उनसे मार्केट कैप्चर्स होने का ज़्यादा चांस होता है. तो इस टाइप से आप रूरल एरियाज़ में मार्केट कैप्चर्स कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ रीयूजेबल पैकेजेस. ओके, when manufacturer is making and selling some goods and products, okay, their packages are very important because they are given reminder value to the consumers. Okay, so HUL likes companies are using Vanaspati Dalda, okay, packets in plastic jars. Okay, so these jars they are using especially consumer using again and again, so it's a reusable package. Okay, also they are using or selling their products like pulses in jar, so their plastic jars is using by the persons again and again. So these types of advertising of marketing products is also important. Next one is ready market for second. अभी मार्केट में कुछ चीज़ें सोल्ड करते वक्त उनका सेल्स प्रमोशन करना पड़ता है, तो बायर्स को ये दिमाग में याद रखना है कि उसको प्रोडक्ट्स सेकेंड्स में ही सेल करना पड़ता है. जैसे अगर न्यू फ्लैट टीवी आया है तो उस फ्लैट टीवी से पहले उसको जो ओल्ड टीवी का सेट है उनको एक्सचेंज करना पड़ता है. ओके, ताकि उसके पास की जो ओल्ड टीवीज़ है वो उनको जल्दी से जल्दी बाहर निकाल सके या सेल कर सके. इसके लिए वो कस्टमर्स को कुछ डिस्काउंट दे सकता है या उसको सेल्स प्रमोशन करके उस प्रोडक्ट को पहले निकाल सकता है, तभी नया प्रोडक्ट बेचा जाएगा. ओके, इसलिए ओल्ड प्रोडक्ट्स को पहले सेल करेगा मार्केट में. ओके, इस टाइप के मार्केट में वो सेलर्स बायर्स की क्या करेगा, परचेसिंग पावर बढ़ाएगा. ओके, तो भी ये भी एक टाइप का रूरल मार्केटिंग है, या गाँव में इस टाइप की मार्केटिंग आप लोग कर सकते हो. ओके, 7 point is not important. 8 डूअर टू डूअर कंपेन. ओके, कई बार सर्टन पर्सन्स को अपने प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में जाके बेचने के लिए या किसी कंपनीज़ को अपने प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में बेचने के लिए पर्सनल टू पर्सनल जाके या डूअर टू डूअर कंपेन करना पड़ता है. ओके, हर एक गांव में विज़िट करना पड़ता है, वहाँ के लोगों को उस प्रोडक्ट के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स बताने पड़ते हैं, उनका एक इम्पोर्टेंस बताना पड़ता है. ओके, इसलिए उस सेलर्स के पास बहुत ही अच्छा लिटरेचर, सैम्पल्स या हैंडआउट्स होने चाहिए. ओके, अगर वो होंगे तो सेलर्स अपना जॉब अच्छी तरह से परफॉर्म कर पाएगा और अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को रूरल एरियाज़ में आराम से बेच भी पाएगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे रूरल मार्केटिंग ये पार्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी आर वॉचिंग इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.